What's going on, guys? Smasher SD here, and welcome back to another awesome video, bros. So today, guys, we're back in the SD universe. Well, once again, guys, I know it's been 2 weeks because you guys already know I'm taking a break and stuff, and I told you that the one of them is going to be busier than ever this year in 2026, guys. But yeah, but I did say also I would be back for some recording if I had time, but I couldn't because I didn't have time these past 2 weeks to record, but I couldn't because I was sick these past 2 weeks, and I just want to let you girls know I'm really sorry, but I'm 100% better. And yeah, so today, guys, we're back with some more Super Smash Bros. Content. Guys, I did say in the last video when I posted that YouTube short video, the 3 Lego headsets, I did, as you can see, the Kylo Ren helmet is back there. I don't know if you guys can see it between my action figures right there, but yeah, it's right there, the Kylo Ren helmet. It's yeah, it's right over there. So yeah, but anyways, guys, I did tell you guys I would have 2 surprise new honorary Welding Fan members in the Super Smash Bros. Content. Well, guys, I want to welcome the 2 new Welding Fan members to the Super Smash Bros. Roster and to the Welding Fan universe, the Thunder Strikers, Red Thunder and Black Thunder. So Thunderman basically has new brothers, or buddies or whatever, in the Super Smash Bros. Content and the Welding Fan universe series. So, yeah, so we're going to test them out, and from this day going forward, I upload the Super Smash Bros. Content whatever I can. It's going to be like a little bit of a series of the Thunder Strikers on how they came into the team. So today they're going to be tested to see if they can beat a bunch of B-Ballers, and they're going to face 2 of the greatest villains ever, like maybe one-on-one and then tag team action or something, if I have time. And yeah, the next day they're going to face the Golden X D-Force in a tag team battle, then they're going to team up, and yeah, you get the rest. So either way, I'll be right back to let's get right into the video, and I'll be right back to get it ready. Oh yeah. Alright, guys, we're going to start off with Red Thunder, so let's do this. Welcome, Red Thunder. Okay, I couldn't even do it because they already want to fight me already, so here we go. Can the Thunder Strikers become Welding Fan members? I mean, technically they already are, guys. They've been members since, like, 2024, but since they're in the Super Smash Bros. Roster now, we gotta see if they really are true Welding Fan members. So here we go. Oh, nope, I missed. Nope. Flip, there we go. So far, so good. Ouch! Hey, hey, hey. Don't do that, come on now. With the power weapon, backflip, let's go. That's how XD does it, let's go. Get out of here. Oh yeah, you wanna block? What's up? Oh, gee. Oh my gosh. Him again? Get out of here. Oh yeah, that's what's up, Red Thunder. Use your thunder powers. Make Thunderman proud. Oh. Hey guys, this is not a challenge video, by the way. The next video for the Thunder Strikers will be a challenge video. I just want to let you guys know that right now. And the fire weapon didn't do anything. Are you kidding me? What was that all about, huh? Alright, here we go. Get these guys out of here. Backflip, you missed. Oh, double drop kick, let's go. That's how SD does it. Ow. Seriously, how did you hit me from there? What the heck? Stop hacking. Give me that. Oh, hey. That's my weapon. What the heck was that? I like kicked him off and he kicked me off. What was that? Get out of here. Oh, Sonic? Oh, not today. Red Thunder just gave me the quickest fight of his life. Would you hold still? Jeez. What is this, man? Get out of here. Whoa, oh, backflip, you missed. Let's go. He dodged the fire weapon and I threw it off. Are you kidding me? That wasn't supposed to happen. Uh-oh. Oh! Nope, I ain't getting involved. I'll take you into the bomb weapon, though. Let's go! Man, one of the B-Ballers was an idiot and didn't even do it. Get out of here. Wait, who is this? Oh, this is Ike. Okay, I was like, who is this? I thought it was Marth for a second. Get out of here. Oh, he's back for more? You missed, boy. Ah! Ah! Not today! Get out of here! Ah! What? How did he... Richard, how did you hit me? No, you just messed me up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Red Thunder. Yes sir, that's how SD does it. Let's go. Red Thunder for the win. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we'll be right back to get this brother Black Thunder ready. I'll be right back. Alright guys, next up is Black Thunder. Here we go. Let's see if they both can win. Whoa! Oh my goodness, he almost fell off the edge and he just saved himself. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. And this time he's not actually getting attacked. I think Black Thunder might actually win. Oh guys, I know it just says Thunder on its name, but I couldn't put the full name in because I didn't have enough room. But this is Black Thunder from the Thunder Strikers. I just want to let you know. And I'm giving them the tag team of the Thunder Strikers because I thought that was a good name. So Thunderman is part of the tag team of the Thunder Strikers along with the welding thing. So yeah, let's just go with that. And, wow, Black Thunder. Wow, you just threw the weapon, not flat. You're just like all the other meatballs. It's not playing. Alright, who he's got? Mr. Game & Watch. Alright. He's not going to do anything because I just eliminated him. I'm still at 0 health. You guys have no chance against Black Thunder. Oh, okay, never mind. Apparently you do, because you just hit me with your sword. What was that? And I couldn't even get the fire weapon because I almost fell. Are you kidding me? Where's my thunder skills? Here we go. Oh, I missed. Oh man, I want to do that cool move. Oh yeah. Hey, don't hit me. I'm trying to do my cool move. What did I tell you about punching me off? Get out of here. Oh, nope, not today. Oh my gosh, not this. Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't want any part of this character. Dude, get out of my way. You guys are in my way. My goodness. Oh yeah, just like Captain America, that's how SD does it. Thank you. Oh yeah, I went right to the bomb. Nice try. Oh, what did that meat brawler just do? He went like flying and hit the edge and bounced off. That was crazy. Yeah. Oh my goodness, these meat brawlers are going crazy. Ah! What? No. No! 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 I'm not losing this fight! Dude, move! I'm trying to do something! Get out of here! You're not defeating me today. See ya! My gosh, he put on one heck of a fight. I almost died. But I think I might actually lose, guys. And I did. This freaking meatballer just shot me off. Oh my goodness. It's okay, though, because this is not a challenge video. We can give it another chance. So let's round 2, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's how SD does it. Let's go. There we go. Get the power. Oh jeez. No. Alright, here we go. Get this. Throw this power weapon at them. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, I'm busy. Get out of here. Get punched out. Dude, I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to knock out Mr. Damon. Oh my gosh, never mind. Let me start joking around before I lose. Hey, what did I tell you about kicking me in my face? Yeah, get out of here. That's what you all get. That's how SD does it. Wow. No, what? Oh, I couldn't even get the fire weapon. These stupid meatballs. Oh my gosh. Yo, can you all relax? My goodness. Now, get out of here. I don't want any part of this character. I want to fight the tough ones. Alright, here we go. Get him out of here. Oh yeah! That's how everything does it. Get out of here. Oh. Oh, dang. That was a knockout. Alright, here we go. Alright, this time I got the gun. Alright, let's get him out of here. Shoot these guys one at a time. Oh, I couldn't even get out. Oh my, how did he hit me from there? No. How are you hitting me from there? No, get out of here. This man always setting me on fire. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness I dodged that. Alright, here we go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Stop shooting me. I don't have time for this. See ya. Wow. Alright, who's the last one? Oh. Get over here. Oh well. Oh yeah. That's how SD does it. Let's go, Black Thunder. Oh yeah. That's how SD does it. Heck yeah. Alright guys, I believe we do have time for some one-on-one matches, so I'm going to choose an opponent for Red Thunder and Black Thunder one-on-one, and they're going to tag team in the main event, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, first up, Red Thunder will be battling Ganon right here. Let's see how he does. Here we go. Oh my gosh, already off to a bad start already. He's already attacking me. There we go. Alright, let's see how Red Thunder does against one of the powerfulest villains, Ganondorf. Fun fact, guys, Ganon created the Thunder Strikers. Let's go with that for the Smash Bros. Content, so the Dark XT. So this is a little payback. So right now they're on no one's side, but they'll find out soon. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Red Thunder. That's how it does it. Wow. Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, of course he eliminated me, just exploding me. Oh, great. Oh. Wow. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. We eliminated each other. Okay, I'll take that. That was pretty cool. I'm not getting hit with that. Nope. You missed. Oh man, I missed. Wow. Wow. No. Wow. Oh. No. This has been a great fight so far. I ain't going near that. How did that bomb not work? I just want to know that. Are you kidding me? He just did a sneak attack on me. Are you kidding me? I only have one life left. Alright, that's how it's gonna be. Get out of here. Oh yeah. Oh, get out of here. Now we're equal, Ganon. You're going down. Oh, okay, apparently I am. No. This time, I don't. No, I will not lose this fight. Ha! Get kicked in the ball. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Oh. Oh, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's how Wednesday does it. Let's go, Red Thunder. Red Thunder just defeated his former master Ganon. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, I don't know if they're still on Ganon's side for this series, guys, so who knows? Alright, I'll be right back to get the next one ready. Alright, guys, next up, since they both face against two kings, Black Thunder's going up against the King K. Rool, a former mentor of his as well. Here we go. I mean, technically, they're trained still. I don't know, but still. I want to let you guys know these guys in the series have worked. The Thunder Strikers have worked for these guys. Right now, King K. Rool is whooping my butt right now. No, oh, geez, not this Pokemon. I ain't having any of this. Oh my gosh, and of course this Pokemon grabbed me. King K's just trying to cheat. Oh, and I'm dead already. Wow, King K. Rool, you want to win by cheating? That's how it is? Oh, geez, I just exploded you. Get out of here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Get punched out, boy. Oh. 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 Dude, I'm trying to get something. Okay, you want to cheat even more? Okay, fine. Dude, let me... Since you want to cheat, I can cheat too, buddy. Oh, great. And I'm dead. Perfect. I just lost another life. I'm at 2 lives already? What? How's that possible? How am I at 2 lives? Thanks, buddy. Yeah, I brought my buddy too, buddy. I can cheat too. See ya. You just messed it up, but I'll take it too. Yeah, mine's better, buddy. Oh, great, he has that. Oh, how did I run into a brick wall? What the heck was that? Nope. You're not getting out of that. Get out of here. Look who has 1 life now, buddy. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. So that's it. 1-1? Alright, I like how this is going. Equal. No. Get this off. Get this off. Tighten it off. Oh my gosh, I got exploded in midair. King K. Rool just beat me. Oh guys, this is a challenge video, so let's go one more time. I still got time to the tag match, why not? We can go one more round. But I think, guys, this ain't a challenge video, but Red Thunder has literally been doing better than his own brother, because he hasn't lost once. Like, he didn't lose the B-Brawler challenge, and he definitely didn't lose against his nemesis. Red Thunder had to go for it twice, so yeah. I think Red Thunder has been the most successful. But anyways, let's give this man a rematch. Oh my gosh, and he's already attacking me. Oh my gosh, he's already going after me already. Get out of here. You didn't even get any offense. Wait, did I hit him or what did I just do? Oh. Get out of here, this is mine. Oh. Man, King K is a fighter, man. Oh my goodness. Get electrocuted, buddy. Pokemon fight. Oh, thank you. Take this. Oh. Oh my gosh, are you serious? What was that? Oh, get knocked out, buddy. That's how Instinct does it. Ah, oh, oh. So long, KK. So long, KK. Well, how are you not dead? This man is still alive. Oh, get out of here. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta do that all day, boy. Off. Off. What the? How? Oh, no. Mine. Since you want to cheat, I can cheat too, buddy. Man, this battle's been intense, bros. Get voiced up. Black Thunder Super Kick, oh yeah. Wolf. Wow. Off. Oh, we just did it at the same time. That was pretty cool. Oh. Wow. Wow. Ah. 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 What the? Oh my! He hit me again. Right. Oh, okay, that works too. I'm still gonna hit him with the smash ball though. If I can. Oh, no! Yo, Daddy! What the? What? I only have one life left! Oh my gosh, King K will just beat me again. He literally destroyed Black Thunder again. Oh my gosh. You know what? It is what it is. Black Thunder couldn't do it, but hey, it is what it is. He put on one heck of a fight. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Alright guys, well, I'll give Black Thunder another chance to fight King K. Rool on another video sometime. Or whatever, but yeah. Alright guys, I'll be right back to get the tag match ready. Okay, guys, I was gonna actually do the tag team match with them fighting their arch nemesis, but I can't do that because one of my remotes died and I forgot to plug it in, so it won't be in charge enough for that. I don't want to like sit here and wait. So guys, we'll do the tag team fight in another challenge video for the Thunder Strikers. So for the remainder of this video, we're gonna see if Thunderman can actually fight both of his Thunder brothers in a triple threat match. I mean, it's every man for himself, but I'm gonna be playing as Thunderman and see if he can win. and whoever wins, wins for this video. So let's just keep it at that. I really apologize. We'll do the tag team event for Thunder Strikers in the next video. So, yeah. Alright, let's get into the triple threat. Here we go. Thunderman, Red Thunder, and Black Thunder. Here we go. Off. Oh, thanks for the mushroom. Oh my gosh, now these guys are teaming up on me. I'm about to fall off. Wow. What was that? I literally grabbed it. Oh my gosh, I'm about to get eliminated. I can't even use my move. There we go. Oh, I just suplexed him into the water. That was so cool. That's how SD does. And I got one. Okay, that's it. Give me that weapon. Uh-oh. Oh. Fuck you up. I want to blow both of you up. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, now they're teaming up on me. Might want to go after your brother. Haha! You're eliminating your own brother instead of me. Let's go. Guys, I just suplexed one of them into the water. That was crazy. Not what I wanted planned, but I'll take it. There we go. That's the suplex I want to do. Alright, but let me stop trying to use it so much before I lose this match. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh my god, eliminated again? Are you kidding me? Get to the fire, let's go. Oh, right to the fire, let's go. Oh, I punched the soccer ball and punched him out. That's how this thing does it. Oh my gosh. Can I just say my catchphrase, please? Get out of here. And I'm going down, and I have one life left. Perfect. Just perfect. Oh my gosh, no. See ya. Oh, I'm not gonna hit. You attack him if you want. And you missed. Here, have a Pokemon. Oh, I just hit the wall. What was that? Oh, missed, sucker. How did I get eliminated? What was that? Oh my gosh. Never mind, it is what it is. Oh. Dude, this match has been intense. I don't even care if I lost. Alright, it's all down to the Thunder Strikers. I mean, Thunderman is a Thunder Striker. What am I talking about? But it's down to Red Thunder and Black Thunder. Who will win this fight? go. Oh, Red Thunder's getting cooked up. Oh, Black Thunders are going down. What are you doing? Oh, okay, if you were one like that, that would be cool, but you each have one life left. Who's gonna win this fight? Whoever gets the smash ball first, I think. Oh, wow! Black Thunder just won. Let's go. Awesome. He didn't win against King K. Rool, but he won the triple threat. Let's go. That's how XD does it. I don't even know how I eliminated that expulsion. What was that? It is what it is, though. Alright, guys. Well, that is going to wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed, definitely go ahead and smash that like button right now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on those awesome notifications so you guys never miss an awesome video. And guys, I'm really sorry I was sick these past 2 weeks. I was planning to record, but yeah, I was sick. But I'm 100% better now. I'll be back for some more for the series for the Thunder Strikers right here. We got a challenge video coming up and a few more ideas in store for this team right here. Also, I have some welding ideas coming to the channel when the time comes. I just want to let you bros know that. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, turn on my awesome notifications if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh wait, and huge shout outs to my welding fam team, Golden Wolf Boy, Thunderman, Stroll Rider, Mighty, and Baseball Hitter for being part of the Fortnite and Super Smash Bros. Content. I mean, Baseball Hitter has been part of it, but you know what I'm trying to say. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, turn on my awesome notifications if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. That's how XD does it. XD out.